Good afternoon, people. Welcome back to another Crypto Sherpa news video where I give you the daily crypto news. In today's video, we got a bunch of Bitcoin ATMs popping up around America. What else? South Korea is going to take action against unregistered crypto exchanges. JP Morgan back in the news again. They will reportedly be giving retail wealth clients access to crypto funds. The NatWest cuts payment channels to Binance, citing regulatory uncertainty. And Visa to acquire cross-border payments, fintech currency cloud. So, lots of news today. Let's dive right on in. First, all right, we're back. There we go. Let me share my screen with you guys. But while I do this, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe. It definitely helps with the algorithm to get this video out there and just help educate the world. And also, if you're getting into the cryptocurrency world, check out consultants.world. Got a link down below. Helps you. We have a bunch of clients on there, consultants, who are here to help you get into the crypto world and help educate you, because that's what we're here for. We're here to help guide you on this brave new world we're getting into. So, right, here we go. Let's share the screen. That's right. Here we go. 10,500 new crypto ATMs installed in 7 months of 2021. That's 55% more than the entire 2020. And this article is from 2 days ago, and I just had to look it up because there was a lot of ATMs popping up around here. We have like Circle K, which is a convenience store that will be hosting thousands of crypto ATMs. So that's adding to that. What else? We got Bitcoin ATMs popping up in West Texas as the cryptocurrency market expands. And Cincinnati's here is having ATMs as well. So crypto ATMs are popping up around the world. But this is a record year for crypto ATMs. Crypto ATMs, also known as Bitcoin ATMs or BTMs, enables users with quick access to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin. But please don't buy Dogecoin. That is definitely a pump and dump. And investors and whales know that most retail people are emotional and they can run on spike news. But developed countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom hold the biggest number of BTMs. However, over the years, they also became very popular in countries whose citizens need a quick exchange of an official currency for a digital asset not regulated by the government. In 2018, more than 2,000 new BTMs have been installed worldwide, with their total number reaching 3,187 in December. That year revealed Coin ATM radar data over the next 12 months. The number of crypto ATMs grew by another 2,000, reaching 4,848 in December 29. So you see a pattern here. It is rising, and we're just going to keep seeing more and more ATMs. But yeah, that's the Bitcoin ATM news. Like it appeared, and I thought I had to report it because I am the Crypto Sherpa news channel, and I need to report all crypto news articles. So let's move on. That was just a little quick segment. Next up, we have South Korea to take action against unregistered cryptocurrency exchanges. Let's go through this article. Sorry, I'm just trying to click on my account, but it's not working. Oh well. So crypto exchanges operating in the country that do not register by September 24th face potential fines or even jail time. What? Why are they going to do that? Let's find out. The South Korean government announced today that crypto exchanges will face punishment if they have not voluntarily registered with the country's authorities by September 24th. The new set of regulations will reportedly affect both exchanges based in South Korea and foreign exchanges that operate in Korean markets. According to the release, that includes any exchange where the Korean language is supported marketing is geared towards Koreans or payments that can be made using Korean won. Under the Specific Financial Information Act, the punishment for the exchanges that continue to operate, what is it? I lost my track. Continue to operate with the registration is up to 5 years in prison or fine of up to 50 million won, roughly $43,500 in USD. Sources suggest that there are plans to block websites belonging to unregistered exchanges in the future as well. Korean users should check up on September 25th to see if the exchange they are using is registered to avoid any related penalties. As of the date, sales made through such exchanges would be illegal within the country. This announcement is the latest in a string of regulations concerning cryptocurrencies around the globe. Earlier this week, European Union announced plans to crack down on the sending and receiving of cryptocurrencies in the hope of limiting money laundering. The SEC chairman said cryptocurrency falls under the rules and regulations of security-based swaps in the US and noted that more regulations could be coming. A meeting from the President Working Group on Financial Markets and other US agencies also took place this week concerning the use and risks of stablecoins. Regulatory recommendations are expected to be delivered in the coming months. So yeah, I see that happening, not just in Korea, but around the world. I think in one of the articles we got like Binance being cut ties because it's basically like spending no money at all because you can't sell, you can't do it, but Binance is having a lot of issues going on right now. But yeah, like who else is cutting payments? Let's see. It's the NatWest cuts payment channels to Binance, citing regulatory uncertainty. Exchanges are going to be under a lot of stress in these coming years as governments around the world try to figure out cryptocurrencies and what they're going to do with it. I always say, don't keep your money on exchanges. Keep them in a non-custodial wallet or whatever hardware wallet you're choosing on like a separate device, laptop, or whatever, and you just keep it away from like crypto use only and just store and don't worry about it. But yeah, let's read this article of what's going on with exchanges. It's like the people can't spend their money on what they want anymore. One Twitter user noted regarding NatWest actions against Binance. Let's see, NatWest is a major United Kingdom-based retail and commercial bank that has blocked all credit and debit card payments to crypto exchange Binance until further notice. The bank confirmed to Cointelegraph on Thursday. I'm sorry there, my voice is cracked a little bit. But all credit and debit card transactions to Binance have been blocked. We have been limiting payments to Binance for a number of weeks, a spokesperson for NatWest said, adding that resuming Binance supports will be continually under review. The representation said that the bank has seen a high level of cryptocurrency investment scams targeting its customers across retail and business banking, particularly through social media sites, for temporarily reducing the maximum daily amount that a customer can send to cryptocurrency exchanges, as well as blocking payments to a small number of cryptocurrency asset firms where we have seen particularly significant levels of fraud. Our customers will still be able to accept cryptocurrencies as forms of payments. The spokesperson noted that the move has triggered a wide-scale outrage in the crypto community, with many disgruntled NatWest clients expressing their discontent with the bank willing to decide how to spend their money. And that's why we are all into cryptos. We don't need banks anymore telling us how to spend our money. That's why I love Bitcoin, because I always keep repeating their white page's first sentence. Bitcoin's white paper is a purely peer-to-peer version of digital cash that allows you to transfer money between one another without the need of a financial institution. So that is what all cryptocurrency should be. We don't need a third party anymore. And with these guys, the banks saying, no, you can't spend it, then of course we're going to have a big issue. But unlike NatWest payments in the UK, JP Morgan is doing the opposite and allowing their retail investors to get into the market. Here we go. JP Morgan will reportedly give retail wealth clients access to crypto funds. Adverse advisors at the banking giant are reportedly only allowed to execute crypto trades at the direct request of a client rather than recommending the products themselves. JP Morgan Chase, again, thank you so much for that bank account for my business. People, Crypto Sherpa LLC, I'm a consultant here to help educate you. My website's almost done, and you'll be able to find me also on the Bitcoin consultants.world. So yeah, there'll be two ways. If you don't want me to be your consultant, there's plenty of other people out there who are qualified to do so. But according to a Thursday report from Business Insider, retail wealth clients at JP Morgan now have access to the cryptocurrency funds. A person directly familiar with the bank's moves to digital space said all JP Morgan clients seeking investment advice, including those managed by financial advisors, retail investors using its trading app, and clients serviced by the private bank would have the opportunity to invest in crypto. JP Morgan clients now reportedly have access to Grayscale Investments, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, Bitcoin Cash Trust, and Ethereum Trust and Ethereum Classic Trust, as well as Osprey's funds over-the-counter Bitcoin Trust, Osprey Trust, and as you can tell, lots and lots of trusts. But investors may request advice, or advisors execute crypto trades, but the bank advisors may not be allowed to recommend crypto investments. Because that's a whole new ball game. So they're not allowed to, because I'm sure they don't know, and they need the people qualified to be able to give the proper investment advice. The move follows a report that the large number of JP Morgan clients see cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, as an asset class. The company's director of asset and wealth management, Mary Callahan Erdos, said that at the time, the bank would allow clients to put their money where they want to invest, purportedly including crypto. JP Morgan has had a complicated relationship with crypto since its creation in 2017. CEO Jamie Dimon referred to Bitcoin as a fraud. However, recent reports have suggested that the company is allowing its clients more exposure to the space and is adopting blockchain solutions. In March, the bank said that it has designed a new debt instrument that provides investors direct exposure to a basket of crypto-focused companies, including business intelligence firm MicroStrategy. In addition to, the company recently posted that it would be hiring for positions focusing on blockchain technology, including software developers, engineers, marketers, and auditors. After dipping below 30,000 for the first time since January earlier this week, the price of Bitcoin has since risen to 32,322 at the time of this publication. That's right, Bitcoin's on the rise again. This is the world of cryptocurrency. If you don't know and you're new to it, the crypto market is very volatile, so we will have ups, downs, lefts, rights, just staying steady. But the trend is the more and more Bitcoin is adopted and is here to stay, we're going to expect bigger rises in the market and also bigger crashes. But where we're at right now, well, some people will say it's a crash. I ended at 30,000, but take that 4 years ago, it crashed to 3,000. That's still 10x from the 4 years ago. In the next bull run, who knows? Bitcoin can shoot up to 300,000, as some people may think. Could shoot up to 120,000, and then it'll fall down again, and then it'll be shooting back up again, but even higher. So the fall won't go too low. I did like a post on my Instagram, which has the list of when the Bitcoin market crashed, and as you can see, each time it crashed, it rebounded, and the crash was lower and lower, but still high. But yeah, so that's the banking news, and JP Morgan, and me trying to discuss how volatility works in the crypto world. But yeah, I can definitely do better. But yes, let's move on to our final article. Visa to acquire cross-border payments, fintech currency cloud. The lines between traditional payments networks and fintechs continue to blur with Visa's acquisitions of the London-based firm. That's a pretty cool Visa card with the chip. I love using my Litecoin Visa card from the Litecoin Foundation. It's really awesome, but that's still a taxable event. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, what we want to do in the future is just keep stockpiling our cryptos, hodling it, acquire as much as you can, and then leverage it out in the future, because then that's when it's truly tax-free cryptocurrencies. But if you want to learn more about that, I suggest following Tom Wheelwright. He's one of Rich Dad Poor Dad authors, Robert Kiyosaki's asset advisors, and knows a ton of information about the taxing world and just everything about that. Visa officially announced on Thursday that it has signed a definitive agreement to acquire Currency Cloud, a fintech platform supporting about 500 banking and technology clients across more than 180 countries. The new acquisition aims to improve Visa's foreign exchange business and expand them to serve financial institutions. Fintechs and partners, the deal will specifically improve Visa's payments, transparency, and speed. The company's global treasurer, Colleen Ostrowski, said, stating, "Acquisition of Currency Cloud is another example of Visa executing on our network of network strategies to facilitate global money movement. Consumers and business increasingly expect transparency, speed, and simplicity when receiving international payments." The new acquisition is based on existing strategic collaboration between the two firms, as Visa already owns an equity stake in Currency Cloud valued at $956 million, including cash and retention incentives. Last year, Visa participated in an $80 million funding round for Currency Cloud, alongside investors such as Japanese financial conglomerate SBI Group. According to the announcement of Currency Cloud, will remain its operations from the company's headquarters in London and will keep its current management team. The acquisitions is still subject to regulatory approval. This acquisition comes shortly after the Currency Cloud entered the partnership with Ripple, a major cryptocurrency company behind the XRP token. Currency Cloud officially announced its collaboration with Ripple in earlier July in order to explore new mechanisms for cross-border transactions, particularly focusing on jurisdictions where regulations restrict opportunities for small and mid-sized enterprises. A spokesperson for Visa told Cointelegraph that the company will continue operating as separate entities until closing. It is a business as usual until then, the representative stated. The latest acquisition comes as Visa moves forward with its commitment to digital currency adoption, actively embracing both major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and fiat-pegged stablecoins. Last week, Visa approved the issuance of a new Bitcoin debit card in Australia. That's actually really cool. I didn't know that. That's brand new news. Awesome. But other than news in this article, let's bring up XRP token. People, my opinion on this is don't trust XRP. They're just as bad as the banks. Ripple has it, and plus there's a huge amount of it out there. Ripple owns a majority of it, and most of those guys will dump their tokens up when they get the chance to when the price rises. So don't trust XRP, people. Just don't. And to finish things off, the coin market cap prices that are going on. Bitcoin's currently at $32,297. We're up 0.77% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum's at $2,000. That's pretty nice. We broke the 2,000 mark again. Binance is at $292. Cardano's $118. Dogecoin 19 cents. Why are you up? But again, people, the Dogecoin will move in a ways in a bull market. When stuff are green, when signs are green, people will put their money in Doge because Elon Musk keeps pumping it and whatnot. But it's a joke coin, people. Don't invest in Doge. Put your money in the smart coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Theta, Divi. There might be a couple others out there. Digibyte, Zilliqa, who knows where the market goes. But my 5 favorites are those first 5 that I just said. Let's see. Wrap Bitcoin is at $32,000. Litecoin's at $120. Not bad. Theta, 488. We are up 13%. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome, awesome. Aave's at 277. I saw something today about Ivan on Tech posting like you can build an Aavegotchi, like a Tamagotchi avatar on their blockchain. So that's pretty cool to check out if you haven't seen it. And where's Theta Fuel at? Well, look at that. It's at 4 cents. Nice, nice, nice. Theta Fuel, 28 cents. We are up we're up 4.28%. Nice, nice, nice. And that's that. I mean, keep scrolling down looking at all these coins if you like, but I doubt you want to. And lastly, we'll go over the Crypto Fear Greed Index. We are at a 23 of extreme fear, so still a great buying opportunity. If you missed the dip we had earlier, it might go down, it might not. This might be our little bull run we got going on. But again, extreme fear is always a good sign to buy, because if you don't know, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a great buying opportunity. But also when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for correction. So extreme fear is a great time to buy, people. And that's where we're at. We're at 23. And yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this episode. I'll be back in a couple minutes. I'm going to go take a shower, relax, let the sun go down. So I ain't do another video. But yeah, I'll be doing another video on the Theta network. We have a new update coming along for 3.10, I believe. Saw that on Twitter today, so I'll go over that in a couple minutes. So again, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And also, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Stay cool, and I will see you guys in a little bit. So have a great day, guys, and see you soon. Crypto Sherpa is out.